Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to check car fine in UAE, RTA Traffic Fitness Dubai Police Online. So, for that, you have to open your browser and search for this Dubai Police Fine Inquiry. Here, click on the first link that appears. After loading, here you can see the information box you have to provide. Here's the plate details, plate numbers, plate source, plate category, plate code, and select. You have to verify by doing this captcha. After providing all the information, just click on search here and you will get all your info what you need. You can also go back and use this one also, traffic fine inquiry service. It's also similar, just you have to provide the information as they asked for. Once it loads, just go to that. Here you will see all the information. Just for that, again, just go to first website. Provide the all informations here. You can also provide license details, ticket details to check more information. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe this channel. And see you in the next video.